Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi white sauce pasta. We'll start by preparing a classic creamy white sauce, then infuse it with vibrant Indian spices. Finally, I'll show you how to perfectly combine everything for a truly unique and delicious meal. Get ready to transform your pasta night with this incredible fusion recipe that's sure to impress everyone at your table. First, let's create our creamy base. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute until a smooth paste forms. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of milk, ensuring no lumps. Continue stirring until the sauce thickens, then season with salt, black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg for that classic flavor. Now for the Desi magic. In a separate small pan, heat a little oil and sauté 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions until they turn translucent. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute until fragrant. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Cook these spices for about 30 seconds, then carefully fold this aromatic mixture into your prepared white sauce. The final step is bringing it all together. Boil 200 grams of your favorite pasta, according to package directions, until it's perfectly al dente. Drain the cooked pasta and add it directly to your Desi white sauce. Toss everything gently until every piece of pasta is beautifully coated. Garnish generously with fresh chopped cilantro and serve your delicious Desi white sauce pasta immediately for the best taste experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.